Welcome to Digital Marketing Talk with your host, Sola Mathew. Are you an entrepreneur struggling to stand out, grow your audience, or convert those clicks into sales? You're in the right place. Join us as we uncover proven strategies, actionable tactics, and expert insights to help your business thrive in the digital world. Let's transform your marketing challenges into stepping stones for success. Let's dive in.
All right, so today I'll be showing you how you can make 1,000 US dollars in the next 30 days. Maybe you have made money before online. Maybe you've not made up to 1,000 US dollars, or you just want to make like an additional money, or this is even the first time that you'll be making your 1,000 US dollars. Today, I'll be sharing this information with you for free. If you have not subscribed to my podcast, I encourage you to do that today so that you can get more information and more podcast episodes as we release them. What is an online business? A lot of people have sent me messages asking me what exactly is online business and how can they start one? And then how can they generate their first 1,000 US dollars? And that is the reason that I have created this podcast in order to share this information with you. Okay. So the first thing you need to know is that online business is like every other business. It's just basically that these businesses are now done online. For example, if you are selling this kind of water bottle, maybe you are selling a water bottle, you can either sell it physically or you can sell it online. So for me, I can decide to, for example, this is more like a room I use for my office. I can decide to pack my stuff or my product, like, a water bottle in my bedroom if I don't have enough money to get an office space. So what I would then do is I will now create a simple website, like e-commerce website, and then I would advertise this product there. And once people buy it, I would then take their order, deliver it to their address. So they'll probably pay for delivery fee, or I can offer free delivery while also putting the delivery fee in the product price. So that is basically what online business is. But when it comes to even online business, we now have something we call digital products. Okay, digital products are products that you don't see. They are products that they are created virtually. Okay, for instance, ebooks are virtual products. They are digital products. These are products that you don't see unless maybe you print the ebook in a printer and then it will now become physical product. All right. So we also have digital books. For example, if you go on Amazon, Amazon has what we call Amazon Kindle. All the products on Amazon Kindle, that is the digital file, they are digital ones. Okay. They are digital. All right. Because the Kindle version, what we call the Kindle version, means that they are digital product. All you need is to download it to your laptop or to your phone or to whatever platform that you want to download it to, and you'll be able to read it there. For example, music, they are more of a digital product. Okay, videos, they are digital products. So you can say music or podcast. For example, this podcast you're listening to, or if you're watching it as a video, that is a digital product. So you don't like touch it physically. You see, it's visual product. So it's called digital product. And that is why I love digital product. When it comes to physical product, for instance, if you are selling a water bottle and somebody buys it from you, you have to go and deliver this water bottle either yourself or hiring a delivery company, or go to the post office and go deliver it to them. They have to see it, they have to touch it before they can say, yes, we've got your delivery. Okay. But with digital product, you can be in your house. In fact, you can be sleeping and you're getting sales, and the sales, immediately somebody buys it, the person can get it delivered to them almost immediately. How does that happen? Basically, they download it, right? So that is why I love digital product. You don't have to start looking for where to store them. For instance, unlike physical products, you must store them somewhere, either in your house, office, shop, or maybe if you sell on Amazon, you have to store it in their warehouse. Okay, so that is why I love online business. I love digital product especially because once you create this digital product, you keep selling them forever. Yeah, so you just create them once. For example, if I have a course on how someone can generate maybe money selling their knowledge online, okay, all I need to do is to create this product once. And once I create the product, these people, they can continue to, I can continue to sell it over and over and over again. Okay, so that is why I prefer digital product. Again, you don't need inventory, you don't need to store them anywhere, you don't need to start doing delivery. Okay, you don't need to create over again. You can easily scale when it comes to digital product. And that is why any person that wants to start online business, I always advise them to start with digital products. Now, what kind of online business can help you to sell digital products such that you'll be able to make massive money, like up to 1,000 US dollars in a month? All right. We have different ones. We have affiliate marketing, for instance. Affiliate marketing is when you sell product, okay, that belongs to other people. For example, let's say I have a product and you listening to me or watching right now, maybe you enroll with me. You come to me and say, hey, I love your product. I want to sell it. I want to recommend it to my audience. But in return, I want 30%. I can start to say, oh, no problem. In fact, for coming to me, I will even give you 40 or 50%, right? And once you make sale, you get that commission. That is affiliate marketing. All right. So there are different platforms that you can do affiliate marketing on. We have ClickBank, for instance. We have Expertnia. That's especially for people in Nigeria. We have, there are a lot of platforms. There are a lot of websites. In fact, there are also individual products that offer affiliate marketing. So all you need to do is go to this platform, register, and start selling and getting commission. One advantage of affiliate marketing is that, especially if this product are selling at a high demand, which most of them are, you'll be able to get commission over, for example, some of them will pay you every week, some of them will pay you every month. Okay, so affiliate marketing is a business that you can start. Like I said, one advantage also is that you don't have to create this product yourself. Okay, and you can start selling, right, once you get access to the platform, once you register. Another type of online business that you can start and make up to 1,000 US dollars in the next 30 days is information marketing. So basically, if you have information on anything useful that you think people are going to benefit from, just sell it. For instance, if you know how to do makeover, all right, or makeup, you can be creating a video on makeover and be selling it to people, and you'll be getting sales, right? So you can create a video tutorial on that. That is information marketing. You are selling the information you know. All right. For instance, Bitcoin has surpassed $100,000 today. Was it yesterday or today? Right? Now, imagine that in the last few months that Bitcoin was around, let's say 50. And you did your speculation and you tell, maybe you know how you can save and invest in Bitcoin. There are a lot of people who want to know how to invest in Bitcoin, but they don't know. You can sell it. I have one of my friends who is selling, they call it the CPK community. So what they do is they sell how to trade, and they also sell signals to people. That is information. You are selling information. So because not many people know how to trade, so this guy sells how to trade, and he also gives free signals. Okay, and people in his community, they are making killer amount of money. All right, I also belong to this community, so I'm telling you what is possible. Okay, now I also have sold different digital products, information product, like I've sold WhatsApp Sales Blueprint. It's one of my books that I've made a lot of sales. Apart from that, I also have a course on it. All right. And I also, sell different other courses like Facebook marketing, for instance. That is what we call information product, and a lot of people are making money with that. The next thing is selling digital product, digital PLR product. So PLR stands for private label rights. Okay, PLR. P for Papa, L for Lima, R for Romeo. Basically, what this does is you have a product, okay, that some people have created. So they create it, and then they give you the right to own this product. So it's yours. So, unlike affiliate marketing where the price of the product is already set by the owner of the product, okay, or we'll call the vendor. PLR in itself is set by someone who is selling it, right? But when you buy this product, it becomes yours. You have 100% right on the product. It means you can sell the product. Now, there are different rights. There are some of the rights that will say you will not be able to resell it, but you can give it away as free. Some of the rights will say, okay, you can't give it away as free, but you can only resell it. Some of them will say you can't pass the resale right to other people that buy it. But there are some rights that will say you can resell it, you can give it away for free. You can also give people who buy from you the right to be able to resell it. Okay, that's why I love them. I love PLR product. And once you buy the PLR product from wherever you want to buy it from with those resale right, you can now decide to set your own price. For example, let's say you bought it at $100. You can decide to sell it for $200, for $300. You can decide to sell it for lesser amount, for example, to be able to have a competitive advantage, especially when it comes to pricing. You can sell it for, say, $50. You can sell it for $20, or you can even give it away for free. Anything you want to do with it, you can do it. That is why I love PLR products. Okay, and PLR product is the fastest way by which you can be able to make your $1,000 in the next 30 days. I have done it, and I believe anyone should be able to do it. All right. There are some people who didn't have any knowledge of online marketing. We did it. So now, buying the product is the first thing. So once you buy the PLR product, okay, the next thing is to get a platform to list this product on. For example, you can list the product on Sola. So we have a platform in Nigeria and Africa that's called Sola. S for Sierra, E for Echo, L for Lima, A for Alpha, C for Charlie, .co. I think they've bought a domain called .com now. They bought it for a very good amount of money. So what you need to do is list it on this platform, or you can list it on beacon.ai. I think it's called beacons.ai. All right. So once you list it on these platforms, you will now begin to sell. So you can share the link on Facebook. You can share it on Twitter or X. You can share it on Instagram, or you can create videos on TikTok talking about your PLR product. You can say, oh, you have the right to resell it. And once people start seeing this, all right, some of them will start making inquiries, and then they'll be able to buy from you. You can sell it organically. Now, when I mean organically, organic is you're not paying for adverts, right? But you just have to do the work. Keep posting every time about this product, talking about it. For example, you can come live just like the way I came live today, talk about the product, and then sell it. All right. So PLR is a very fantastic product that I so much love when it comes to online marketing. But if you want to make yours $1,000 in the next 30 days, you won't really be able to do it with just organic marketing. You have, except maybe you already have a big audience. If you don't have an audience and you are starting from scratch, like many of us will do, okay, you need to be able to run marketing. For example, almost everybody today run Facebook ads. It's just that we do it better than one another. So all you need to do is go to Facebook, okay? Go to ads.facebook, or just search for Facebook Ads Manager, all right? And then you or go to business.facebook.com. So once you go to business.facebook.com, you'll be able to create a business account, and from there you'll be able to run adverts on Facebook, okay? And you can target specific people that might be interested in your product, and from there you start making sales. Now your sales will depend on what your budget is, okay? So once you start getting sales, start looking at ways to optimize your campaign. All right, for example, you can increase your budget over time so that you'll be able to get even more sales. I believe that with these simple steps, you should be able to make $1,000 in the next 30 days. Now, even if you don't make $1,000 in the next 30 days, at least you know that you've done something well with your life. At least you know that you've practiced something, all right? And you know, you just learn from it and then know what to do next, all right? So maybe you can now say, oh, with this, at least maybe I've been able to make 400 or 100 in the next 30 days. What did I do right? What is it that I can do better next time? And then before you know it, you become the marketing guru that you're supposed to be, and you become the online business guru that you're supposed to be, and you start making massive money online. All right. So guys, I just thought to share this with you, and I hope that you got some value. If you have any question at all, you can send me an email at info@sholamatthew.com. And by the way, we have a company called Soracious Media. All right. SORACIOUS Media, Soracious Media. So what we do at Soracious Media is we help people to expand their business, because Soracious means expansion. So if you want to expand your business, for example, let's say you want to start this PRR product selling online and you want to run adverts, maybe you don't want to do it yourself, okay? You can contract it to us and we'll run the advert for you, okay? We have got massive testimonials of people that we've run advert for and that worked, okay? So and if you want to run maybe Google Ads, or you want training, you can also contact us at info@soracious.com, right? And we'll be able to help you do that. So thank you so much for listening to this podcast, and please subscribe to our podcast at whatever platform you are listening to it from, or that you're watching from. And till next time, just be the change that you desire to see. And I want to say thank you once again, and have a blessed day. Take care.
Thanks for tuning into Digital Marketing Talk. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Let's continue the conversation. Connect with me, Sola Mathew, on social media or at sholamatthew.com. Remember, every big success starts with a small step, so take action today. Catch you in the next episode.